xì đó. Nó đâu ăn lại cái tia đó. This is everybody. Bây giờ tôi cho bé Chattanooga Bridge rồi đó. Nó sẽ biết tôi đó.
Yeah, let's see.
Biết phải tên nó hả? I think so.
Yeah, I'm trusting you. I see snakes. I see frogs down there.
I don't like frogs. I don't like snakes. I don't like lizards.
Good thing I put my bug bridge.
Yep.
Cái chị ta bây giờ mỏ tôi nó rổ nó nè.
Bây giờ bỏ cái lưỡi chỉ biết nó thật cả. Bây giờ nó là ta cho
Cái
mình.
chết lát thì mày ý là nhớ nó hamburger thôi.
Cho
It's an iceberg.
cho nó bé ở video hả?
Chẳng đông là tới trường tới lư tả đó.
Yeah, là tới replace cái chỗ.
It looks like it could break at any moment.
Em đang tải có train là để ta tải cho một xe. Here's my mama going on her train ride for the first time. Thế thì là hai bạn.
Đúng rồi. Sáng Nếu mà sáng cái lửa sẽ cứ như là cho nó nha. Vậy là tối nha. Hả? À, nó bảo 이거 끌타 미리 이게 탔으면 그래 너희 탔어. 오케이.
Khai đây là uầy cái dịch ra có phải lên 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 rồi nhá cái chảo một theo nhỉ cũng bảo cho cái này cá tiền chứ là phải
Hey guys, maybe everyone remembers about our fish. Some people like to say that they're blind. Some people like to say that they're albino. They're actually neither. They only lose about 20% of their eyesight and about 70% of their color. So these fish can use some glasses, but I am pretty sure these fish would not want to wear glasses. They tend to get pretty big. Biggest one that we ever had, his name was Trevor. Trevor was about 16 pounds, 7 ounces, and just over 3 feet long. He's also displayed in our display case in the lobby for to see him. Fun fact, Trevor was actually a girl. Now, we did specifically choose the rainbow trout to be down here for this experiment because they cannot reproduce down here. We wanted the fish that could reproduce because we didn't want an overpopulation of fish.
Yeah.
We also chose rainbow trout because they are highly adapted to colder waters. And this water is 56 degrees, but it feels like 26. So if you were to swim in this water for 15 to 20 minutes, you'd have high risk of hypothermia. Do what? How long have the rainbow trout been down? We first started in 1967, but then we kept on restocking them every 4 to 5 years. Now these fish do not have a natural food source down here, so we do have to feed them every boat ride every day. We feed them high protein beef and liver pellets, which are basically like dog food for trout. We call it Purina trout chow. Now there is a really funny story about these fish. One of the fish jumped up into the boat one time and landed on a woman's lap, and she beat it to death with her purse. She went up to the front desk, asked if she could keep it. We said yes, of course, because that fish is already dead. She took it home. She cooked it up and she ate it. She called back a couple days later. She said it tasted like dog food. We asked her how she knew what dog food tasted like. She immediately hung up. This is actually a true story from 2003. The room is about 800 feet long, 220 feet wide. and it gets up to 65 feet tall, with water surface, up to the tallest point in the ceiling. The average is out to about 4.5 acres. Now you guys may be wondering how we got these boats down here. We hired Chuck Norris and a bunch of Vaseline. Now I'm just kidding y'all. We're down here in 3 parts.